Hi guys. Welcome back to the vlog channel. Friends, today is, my brothers are now present. The land of the forest, brothers. This is the tiger of travel, folks. The land is famous, with these travel routes. Especially because there are so many waterfalls. Now my brothers are here. One stream of water, this one stream of numbers. And down there, there's a very big slab, a very nice slab. The water is very closed, brothers. And I'll take you down there for a tour. It's a little hard to get down the other way. Today my brothers will come down. And now here. This is currently in the direction of my hand. Cluster bag fit time. This bag will be famous. This is another one that I have. Back to you. Friend here. This is a brother of mine. Living in the forest, friends. So I went to my brother's house to this waterfall. My friend is going to take me to this waterfall. Actually, I don't know about this waterfall. You guys. This is a fat guy, you already know. I was here before me too. I hold an orange for you, caramel. The way down is dangerous, folks. There's fat coming down here. The way down the waterfall is very difficult, but I want to see the whole waterfall. I want to show you, so it's me. Come with me, Leo, come down here. There's one here. The stone ladder. You know, this cave, this place that you used to go. There is also a cave for running. What was in here at noon? The air is a little humid today. Moss, these types of moss grow this fish. The fish above is very beautiful. This tree is. It looks more like a vegetable, but not more. A 2BA4. Halo. Now the water is coming down very, very strongly. I'm standing in front of this waterfall. On both sides of the waterfall, there are two old trees. The consumption is very large. It's thanks to these two stumps that in this waterfall. It's not ignored, but it keeps the same thing. This is its state. And the force of the water coming down is enormous. It's down here at the bottom of this waterfall. And down here, there's a very big old tree. There is a tree. It's fallen down here. This is probably due to the windstorm. And here's the top two. Two more sides, two water lines, two sides. Water pouring. Down. Water pouring down, water pouring down. Then make a model. Oh my god. I'm here a little bit, very fast. This is a close-up. Power number. The phone here is yes, it's a chili tree. You grow chili. This must be from someone. I've been camping in here before. If you eat and drop the seed it grows or the bird. Hello bird, it's finished eating chili. Oh, it's passing by, it's sending love to the ground. That's it, this pepper plant is growing. Come here and see this tree sign. Here I see a very big old English tree. With the roots it grows. Put your hands out, it's clinging to you. This is how it keeps it. Its stump is under your waterfall. If there were no roots like this. It doesn't have roots. These big roots don't. Tree. It has to grow out like this. Then it's earned let the tree stand in. It's different, guys, and it'll tell Ra very, very far around the birthday. This is the end of the line, guys. The 4 below is the 4 areas where the water flows softest. The 4 areas down here are rock colonies, for alternating with water forming for flows. It's amazing, for in the area down here is very cool. It's also less noisy than the waterfall. For blocks above the Kia falls, the water falls with it, so the pressure is very high. And the area down here is better. Let's go. Now I go. We are going fishing, brothers. This is bait that I didn't use as bait. It's all natural bait. This is the grasshopper I just caught. There's a big one that's running away. Hook it up and it runs away. He's scratching this. He's coming in. It's burning. Some of you are going fishing now, guys. Handsome. Go fishing and pick vegetables. You here are a bridge. In front is a field of terraces. For a well-known model of Vietnamese rice cultivation for Did you know there are bad fish this afternoon? It's so sunny. Four boys are pulled, for UI with catfish. I'm being pulled. UI slowly. Here you fish. PE. It's a long one, but this one's a little bulky. Maybe the brook is here. It's small. Yeah, it's thin. Surely the stream fish is so big and the stream fish here is sure. There is AI. There are fish this afternoon. Probably. So. Fry it in here. There's no net tree. Let it live a little longer. Who's going to eat? Thanks for being hungry. I can't wait any longer to eat this. Eat this. Let it lie here. Let him lie here and make sure he doesn't run. Stay here and watch Cho. I haven't caught the catfish yet. What you sitting here for? Maybe it will be more famous too. I haven't seen one yet. God has no children. Drill out the edge of the shore or there's fish. He's foraging on the shore. Everyone can. Here we go. This kid is stuck for a while. This one is near death. It always needs to go. Be careful. Back to work? This one is almost signed. Back to work for you guys. I saw some uncles today. You just went up to this beach and caught a lot of fish. Okay. Four people eat these too. It's about to break. It's wired. When he dropped the parrot, he jumped into the water. It grows its legs and runs. So, everybody, you know, this rock or this river you dug up. Guava root is hip. This beautiful guava root. The original work is beautiful. This is bonsai, well, this is coffee. This corner you can recite for yourself. Remember. Hey. Everybody. I'm going to take this to light a fire. Hey everyone. Charcoal to grill fish. There is this big tree. This tree is still fresh. It's not fresh. Just leave it. It's dry. It's original cotton. I already bought this coal. Well, brothers, I bought the preparation, give me the cost so. Hi everyone. That wood to put in a little bit I baked too. I burned it fast. Bake 2 big ones and leave them all than you. What to do more? Half my hip. Let's light a fire. A car is coming home and it's frying this grilled fish. Wait. Vietnam branch. I went to wash the fish at 4 o'clock. Pack. Yours is to go A. Please fish in the chopped bamboo for baking. The barbecue can't be grilled with mussel. Met the interaction, it ran away. Go. Stop it now, my brothers. Out in the north, there's a lot of fish in the field. Let the fish eat human flesh. Now, my brothers, take a risk. Put it in here. The fish is ripe. Message yet? Now the brothers take the final step. Enjoy this fish. Cover it with green chili salt. Take a cup and pour salt. Come sit in the corner, brothers. Salt ra to salt ra. Spicy. 2. It's spicy. So attractive. You remember. Drooling. Hot and is hot. It's already frost. I invite you to eat fish with your brothers. Make your fish. Delicious fresh white always by invite you. How do you feel about it? It is very sweet and tastes spicy. Spicy chewy fish. Copper fish is also tough to eat sweet. Try these salts. And smell of lemon. I know chili, lemon leaves are good. It's delicious. If the money is not rich, the price is not lost. Goodbye to the guests. My brothers are going back to see you. Now there's a chance my brothers will come back.